Prepare to have your taste buds tantalized and your snacking game elevated. In this sizzling new episode, we're diving deep into the irresistible world of cheese puffs. From crunchy mysteries to cheesy magic, join us on an epic journey to uncover the secrets behind how these addictive snacks are made. Warning: extreme cravings ahead. At the heart of every cheese puff lies the humble cornmeal. This versatile grain forms the base of our crispy treat, providing the perfect canvas for the cheesy goodness to come. We'll explore the various types of cornmeal used in production and how it contributes to the unique texture of each puff. What's a cheese puff without the cheese? Get ready for a cheese overdose as we introduce you to the magical cheese powder. Delight in discovering the top-secret blend of cheddar, parmesan, and other cheese varieties that create that addictive umami flavor explosion in every bite. In the frying process, vegetable oil takes center stage, playing a vital role in transforming the dough into delectable puffs. We'll uncover the science behind the choice of vegetable oils and how they ensure the puffs come out with the perfect amount of crunch and a hint of golden goodness. What's life without a little seasoning? Cheese puffs come to life with a symphony of mouth-watering flavors that make your taste buds dance. From zesty jalapeno to smoky barbecue, we'll explore the wide array of seasonings that add that extra kick and keep you reaching for more. We can't spill all the beans, but in this section, we'll let you in on a secret ingredient that elevates the cheese puff experience from good to mind-blowing. Trust us, it's the dash of enchantment that keeps you coming back for seconds, thirds, and beyond. Crafting the perfect cheese puff begins with the precise mixing of the ingredients we explored in Section 1. Join us as we witness the culinary artistry of combining cornmeal, cheese powder, vegetable oil, and seasonings in just the right proportions. The dough is carefully blended to ensure an even distribution of flavors, setting the foundation for the ultimate cheese puff experience. Prepare to be amazed as the dough embarks on its extrusion extravaganza. We'll take you behind the scenes of the mesmerizing machinery responsible for shaping the puffs. Witness the dough being pushed through specialized nozzles, each one intricately designed to create that iconic, airy form we recognize on store shelves. Ever wondered how cheese puffs achieve their light and airy texture? It's all about the science of aeration. In this section, we'll dive into the fascinating process that puffs up the cornmeal, transforming it from a dense mixture into the fluffy, crunchy puffs we can't resist. Get ready to be enchanted by the magical transformation. While machines play a vital role in the extrusion process, it's the skilled hands of the operators that ensure perfection. We'll witness the precision and expertise required to maintain the machines and troubleshoot any hiccups, guaranteeing consistent, top-quality cheese puffs every time. It's time for our cheese puff dough to take the plunge. Watch as the puffs are carefully lowered into a pool of hot, bubbling oil. The heat causes the moisture within the dough to turn into steam, puffing up the cornmeal and creating those irresistible air pockets that give cheese puffs their signature light and airy texture. Achieving the perfect cheese puff requires impeccable timing. Too short a fry, and the puffs won't achieve their desired puffiness. Too long, and they risk becoming too crispy or burnt. We'll explore the delicate balance of frying time and temperature, revealing the secrets behind the art of frying cheese puffs to perfection. As we celebrate the nostalgic joy of cheese puffs, we also delve into the modern technology that ensures safety and consistency in the frying process. Advanced fryers are equipped with precise temperature control and safety features to maintain a safe working environment for the operators and guarantee top-quality snacks for consumers. As our puffs emerge from the fryer, they are ready to embark on their flavorful journey. The heat opens up the taste buds, making them receptive to the seasoning that will soon coat every inch of the puffs. Brace yourself for the explosion of mouth-watering flavors in the next section. Hold on to your taste buds as we sprinkle the magic of cheese powder over the hot puffs. Watch in awe as the powdered cheese adheres to every inch of the puffs, transforming them from plain to irresistibly cheesy. The savory aromas will have you reaching for a bag of cheese puffs in no time. But wait, there's more. In this section, we'll witness the addition of the tantalizing seasonings that take our cheese puffs to the next level. From tangy sour cream to smoky barbecue, the flavor combinations are endless, catering to every palate's desire. Prepare to experience a symphony of tastes with every bite. The puffs take a gentle tumble inside a large rotating drum, ensuring an even coating of cheese powder and seasonings. This ensures that each puff is infused with the perfect amount of flavor, creating a harmonious blend that delights the senses. As with any magical production, quality control is crucial. We'll peek into the meticulous inspection process, where only the finest cheese puffs make the cut. Any imperfect or less flavorful puffs are set aside, ensuring that every bag of cheese puffs meets the high standards we expect. After their magical transformation, our freshly cheesified cheese puffs need a moment to cool down and set into their irresistible form. We'll explore the cooling process, where hot puffs gently lose their heat and maintain their crispy texture. The tantalizing aroma fills the air, leaving us eagerly anticipating that first crunchy bite. Say hello to the high-tech packaging machines. Watch in awe as these marvels of engineering swiftly and accurately fill bags with our beloved cheese puffs. Each bag is carefully weighed to ensure you get the perfect amount of cheesy goodness in every serving. The bags are then sealed with a satisfying crinkle, ready for snacking. Our cheesy journey wouldn't be complete without highlighting the industry's dedication to sustainability. Discover the innovative, eco-friendly packaging solutions that help reduce waste and minimize the environmental impact. Every crunchy delight is now guilt-free, making our snacking experience even more enjoyable. With the cooling and packaging complete, our cheese puffs are now ready for their grand adventure to the store shelves. Witness the hustle and bustle of logistics as the puffs are carefully packed into boxes and shipped off to distribution centers, eagerly awaiting their arrival at your nearest snack aisle. Now let's take a quick look at the history of cheese puffs. Once upon a time in the late 1930s, an industrious man named Clarence Crane from Cleveland, Ohio, was on a mission to create a new and innovative snack. He was known for his invention of Lifesavers candy and was determined to make a mark in the snack industry. Crane teamed up with the founder of Flake-All Corporation, J.W. Sutherland, and together they embarked on a journey to develop a tasty yet economical snack using cornmeal. After numerous experiments and refinements, they finally struck gold in 1939. Their creation, originally called Corn Curls, was a crunchy, extruded corn-based snack with a delightful cheese flavor. The unique texture and delicious taste of these snacks quickly captured the attention of consumers. In 1948, Flake-All Corporation changed its name to the iconic Chester Foods and rebranded the snack as Cheese Curls. The new name and branding, along with strategic marketing efforts, helped propel the popularity of these cheesy delights. However, it was in the 1950s that the real breakthrough for cheese puffs occurred. During this time, the company developed a groundbreaking technology called the continuous fryer. This innovation allowed for mass production, making cheese puffs more accessible and affordable to the masses. As the years went by, Chester Foods continued to expand and improve its cheese puff production. The company's marketing campaigns and catchy slogans like "The cheese that goes crunch" further elevated the snack's popularity. In the 1980s, the brand's name changed once again, this time to the now familiar Chester Cheetah logo and Cheetos name. This iconic cheetah mascot became synonymous with cheese puffs, and the brand began to dominate the snack market. The humble beginnings of Clarence Crane and his partnership with Flake-All Corporation paved the way for cheese puffs to become a global phenomenon. Their innovative spirit and dedication to creating a delectable and affordable snack continue to bring joy to millions of people around the world. From their invention to their timeless appeal, cheese puffs have truly earned their place as one of the most beloved and popular snacks in history. As we bid farewell to the mesmerizing cheese puff production process, we celebrate the joy these snacks bring to people of all ages. From factory to you, these little bites of happiness have the power to unite cheese puff lovers everywhere in a shared love for all things cheesy and crunchy. And that's a wrap on our cheesy adventure through the world of cheese puffs. We hope you enjoyed this mouth-watering journey and learned some fun facts about everyone's favorite crunchy snack. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're a cheese puff lover, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious content. Let us know in the comments which flavor of cheese puffs is your go-to, or if you have any favorite cheese puff memories to share. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep snacking, stay cheesy, and savor every crispy bite of those delectable cheese puffs. See you in the next video.